Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you guys are fine and doing well. I welcome you all to AppSec's online support program. This is the video lesson for class 1, textbook integrated studies, computer science. Chapter is 8, task 3, copy and paste. Summary of the lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn more about copy and paste function. So, to copy, we press and hold the control key on the keyboard and then press the C. C is the key on the keyboard. And to paste, press and hold down control and then press V key. So these are the short keys in order to copy and paste the work. Thought of the day. We all like people to be honest with us. Objectives. Today we will learn more about copy and paste function on Paint. Success criteria. Use short keys in order to copy and paste the work. What are the short keys? Yes, the short keys are Control C we use to copy and we use Control V to paste the work. Okay, so students, have you ever been to any photo state shop? Yes? Very good. So, this basically linked with your copy function. The way we do it on our computer, they do as same as on photo state shop. Copy functions makes the copy of your work and paste function will paste the copy work what you have copied. So today we will going to learn about copy and paste function on Paint. So first we need to open Paint. Okay, so first I need to open the Paint window. Where I need to go first? Yes, this is the search bar. I will write PAINT paint. Look, paint program results are here. When you write on the search bar, then you can easily have the results. So I am clicking on the paint program. So this is your paints window. Okay, so let me resize the shape so it will easily help you understanding more. So can you see these tools above here? These are the taskbar. We select different formations from the taskbar. As we know, these are the shape box. We do select different kind of shapes from here, and these are the toolbar. These are the different groups on Paint's window: clipboard, image group, tools group, and shapes group. And these are different colors formation group. So these are the groups of paint. Okay, so let me select one shape and will copy and paste the shape to show you how we use copy and paste function on Paint. Okay, I am using this shape. I'm drawing it here. Okay, can you see these small circles around the picture? Yes. So when you click on the center of the shape, then you can easily see this extension. Okay, I am now clicking right. Yes, click on the copy and then over here I want to paste the shape. So I am right clicking again and pasted the shape over here. So this way we can copy and paste the shape on Paint. You can easily use short keys to copy. We can press Ctrl C to copy, and to paste we press Ctrl V. Instead of right clicking from the mouse, we can use the short keys. After selecting the picture, we can copy it from the keyboard short keys, which are Ctrl C, which we use to copy, and we use Control V to paste their work. So I hope you have understood the function of copy and paste keys. So this is your home assignment. Draw different shapes and copy paste it on paint. You need to draw different shapes on paint program and practice copy pasting. After completing this home assignment, take a picture of your screen and send it to me. Okay. So, in the end, I just want to say we all like people to be honest with us. We need to be honest. We need to be a good person inside and out. Be honest, be kind, take care of yourself and your family. Don't forget to smile.